Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are starting with another chapter, that is gravitation. This will be our third lecture in this series. In this we are covering Levith all formula and new chapters which are added in CET. That also we will be covering in Max also. I'll do that. So please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and do comment, and please subscribe, share with your friends. Let us begin with gravitation. So basically gravitation के formula देख लेते हैं फटाक से. F is equals to G into M1 into m2 upon r square. ये हमें पता है. G is a universal gravitation constant. G की वैल्यू है 6.67 10 raised to minus 11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर जी स्क्वायर. ये एसआई यूनिट में है, सीजीएस में डाइन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर और ग्राम स्क्वायर होता है. m1 एंड m2 इज इक्वल टू टू मासेज. r हमारा उसका बीच का डिस्टेंस है. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हाइट के बेसिस पे फोर्स इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे g m इंटू m r plus h the whole square. यहाँ पे लिखा है m is equals to mass of earth, m is equals to mass of satellite, r is equals to radius height of the satellite from the earth and surface. ये h का हमारा होगा. Now acceleration due to gravity, तो इसका फॉर्मूला आएगा g is equals to gm upon r square. Let me change the color, you get better knowing. Acceleration due to gravity on earth surface in terms of density. Density terms में g is equals to, now g is equals to 4 by 3 pi r rho g over here. Now acceleration due to gravity at height h. So gm is equals to r plus h the whole square over here. Now relation between acceleration due to gravity at height h and at surface. दोनों का रिलेशन क्या है? तो gravity at height divided by gravity at surface is equals to r upon r plus h, and this will be the whole square over here. Now at equator also we should know at equator at equator g minus r into w square, and at poles is equals to g. This is for poles, you should know. Variation of height. Height के variation. Relation between weight at height h above the earth surface and on the earth surface. If h is comparable with r, then wh is equals to w r plus h. This is if h is very small, then wh is equals to w 1 minus 2h by r. Now due to that wd is equals to w 1 minus d divided by r. This is this formula due to depth one. Now let us see about critical speed or orbital speed of a satellite moving around the earth in a circular orbit is. Now velocity of a critical speed or orbital speed is equal to root of gm divided by r plus h over here. Now for a satellite orbiting close to the earth, h is less than r, then it will be v max is equal to root of gm upon r. This will be an answer. Now critical velocity in terms of acceleration due to gravity at height h. So now it can be vc critical velocity is equal to root of r plus h dot g at height. So now it can be vc is equal to root of r g over here. Now vc max is equals to 2r root of pi rho g divided by 3. Now periodic time of a satellite moving around the earth in a circular orbit is. So periodic time basically निकालना, तो t is equals to 2 pi r plus h divided by critical velocity, or it can be another form is 2 pi root of r plus h the whole cube divided by gm. This is inside the root only. Now we have periodic time of a satellite in a circular orbit in terms of acceleration due to gravity at height h is. So t is equals to 2 pi root of r plus h divided by g at height, or it can be t is equals to 2 pi root of r cube divided by g into n. So here we have more forms. T is equals to 2 pi root of r into g, because r into h is nearly equivalent to r and gh is nearly equivalent to g. So accordingly we have solved it. So now another we have Kepler's law. So Kepler's law is t square is proportional to r cube, or it can be t1 t2 divided by t2 square r1 cube divided by r2 cube, or it can be t1 by t2 whole square equals to r1 by r2 the whole square. No, here is a no. T square is proportional to r plus h the whole cube. So here we can replace r, this r by r plus h. So it can be t1 t2 the whole square equals to r plus h1 divided by r plus h2 the whole cube over here. When satellite is rest on the earth, satellite अगर रेस्ट पे है तो क्या काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल्स टू 0 हो जाएगी उसकी. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी उसकी क्या होगी, माइनस जी एम इंटू एम अपॉन आर. टोटल एनर्जी विल बी minus g m upon r. So this will be our answers. Now gravitational potential energy u of r of gravity is equals to g m 1 upon r initial minus 1 upon r final. Gravitational potential v is equals to minus g m upon r over here. Now we have when satellite is revolving at height h above the earth surface, so kinetic energy उसमें होगी g m upon 2 times of r plus h at height h. ऐड कर देंगे, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हमारी हो जाएगी माइनस जी m upon r plus h, and total energy will be minus g m upon 2 times of r plus h over it. Now we have escape velocity of a satellite at rest. First, on earth surface. On earth surface first of all. So velocity on earth surface root of 2gm upon r, which is nearly equivalent to 11.2 kilometer per second in terms of g. अगर in terms ऑफ जी, अगर जी के टर्म्स में लिखे तो वी ई इज इक्वल टू रूट ऑफ 2 जी ओवर ये. नाउ डेंसिटी के टर्म्स में भी हो सकता है, वी ई इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई रो जी डिवाइडेड बाय 3. Satellite is revolving close to the earth, so VE is equals to root 2 into critical velocity. ये भी हो सकता है. So many forms for revolving satellite, relation between kinetic potential total and BE energy. So BE is equals to minus TE total energy, kinetic energy is equals to BE, kinetic energy is equals to minus TE total energy, potential energy plus 2 times of this, potential energy minus 2 times of kinetic, potential minus 2 times of BE. Kinetic and KE and BE are always positive. This will be always positive. Total and potential will be always negative over here. Now, by this, we have completed this chapter also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment. Thank you.